Kikuyu comedian uroekaine ta Moji Moji has sadly passed away. Comedian uyu anakorwo akihost tabarĩra-inĩ ya Kiengei Live ona nginya tabarĩra-inĩ ya Mwigariko Show on Thegi Radio, na nĩanyitanire na some of our Kikuyu comedians ta Muthende Genye in performing Kikuyu skits na comedy skits ona nginya stand up comedy, but he has sadly passed away. Na Muthende Genye nĩaumburĩte atĩ he passed away in a tragic road accident, na he has also penned this painful tribute kuri murata wake akiuga what a painful death. Mijo ajirire oka Nairobi ageranie ateithie kwao. We've done some clips with him. Was a very funny guy, so young to pass away. To the family and friends, my sincere condolences. May God comfort you. Ti hahũthũ. Rest in peace, my friend. Ngai twakuhoya utuongerere matuko ma gutura guku thi. Oh yeah, so painful. And he also shared this number here to support the family. Muthende Genye augite this was his friend, na it's very very painful. He also shared some photos of him and Mijo rĩrĩa manakorwo makirutithania wĩra hamwe, and also the photos from the scene of the accident. Oima, our deepest condolences to him on the loss of his friend, and also to the family of Mijo. Ngai aromaririkana during this difficult time. Nona arata na mafans a Mijo nimeyumĩrĩtie kũmũcakaya maihũrĩte nĩ ruo rũingĩ mũno. His death was so sudden. Fratasha Frank akiuga, in humble acceptance, I hereby regret to announce the sudden demise of my colleague, my bro, and my able friend. I received the news with much pain, learning that you are no longer there, bro man. So sad. May your soul rest in peace, Mijo comedian. On MC Zo Zedi akauga, it's a sad day for me and my fellow Nakuru content creators after receiving bad news that Mijo comedian has passed on. I remember how we did this video together with a lot of passion and energy, not to mention our experience together at Kiengei Live auditions. Fare thee well, my friend. Onagashara influencer kauga RIP bro, Mijo comedian, well known as Moshiri Amapita. For real, life is too short. One of my closest, I had manze. We used to do content creation back then. May the Lord comfort this family. On a junior comedian akauga, this is unbelievable. I can't imagine you are gone, Mijo comedian. Oh my, may your soul rest in peace. I will miss acting with you. Our deepest condolences kuri family yothe ya Mijo. We have lost a great comedian and content creator. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.